Hi everyone, this is Kavita for Sitare TV. I'm here at Chabot College in Hayward, California, and we're having KK. He's performing for Prabhasi's evening event. Please welcome KK. He's brought wonderful songs like Ajab Si, Pal, and so many others. He's had over 500 hits throughout India, and he's here to rock the show tonight in the Bay Area. Please welcome KK.
Hey, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You're welcome. KK, you are such a fabulous singer. I know one of your first songs, Tadap Tadap Ke, that came out in 99 for Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. That was your first big break in Bollywood?
You could say that because before that I had a couple of songs for other films, but really didn't speak much about the singer as such. I had a song in film called Marches, which actually started it for me. But there was a couple of lines. A major song which really Choda Hai Hum Wo Galiyan, just the beginning of the beginning of the film. Actually, it started with my voice.
छोड़ा ए हम वो गलियां छोड़ा ए हम वो गलियां.
So that was the first song which I did actually in the studio for a film, and previously, before that, doing a lot of ad work.
Yeah, a lot of jingles, 35,500.
35,500, yeah. But Tadap Tadap was a film, for this first song which I did, which came in a kind of recognition all over the world, I would say, for the film Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, like you correctly mentioned.
तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दी प्यार की, ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए, हाँ लुट गए, तो लुट गए हम तेरी मोहब्बत में. तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दी प्यार की, ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए, हाँ लुट गए, तो लुट गए हम तेरी मोहब्बत में. तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दी प्यार की, ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए, हाँ लुट गए, तो लुट गए हम तेरी मोहब्बत में.
Other than that, I think 99 was also the year which gave me my first album break, when I did Pal. And Pyar Ke Pal was really, really big.
हम रहे या ना रहे कल, कल याद आएंगे ये पल, पल ये है प्यार के पल. चल आ मेरे संग चल, चल सोचे क्या छोटी सी है जिंदगी, कल मिल जाए तो होगी खुश नसीबी. रहे या ना रहे याद आएंगे ये पल.
Even now, when I sing both the songs, they almost go hand in hand, Pyar Ke Pal is as popular as Tadap Tadap Ke.
Can you sing a line from Tadap Tadap Ke?
Sure. तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दी प्यार की, ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए, हाँ लुट गए, तो लुट गए हम तेरी मोहब्बत में.
Very nice. No, if I hear one line, I just want to hear the rest of the song.
But
I'm sure.
Stay back
Yeah,
for the concert
probably
and
stay
sing the
back.
whole song for you.
Definitely. And talk about how your career progressed from the first break and what happened? How did the industry react to you after this song? Because it was a really major song. It was romantic and passionate in Salman Khan's voice.
Well, you know what? I really didn't expect the kind of response that it generated at that time because, like I said, this is right at the beginning of my career, and I just did it because it was a great song. And even now to date, I maintain that I do a song, I don't expect anything out of it. That's the way to be. So it keeps your mind very clutter-free and you relax in life.
Anything that you enjoy singing or listening to yourself?
Well, I like listening to a lot of soft rock. Always like the genre. I used to do a lot of rock in my school and college days.
And a lot of English songs.
Yeah, I used to do a lot of them, and I used to enjoy that. Very liberating, I thought. Even now, when I do some of my songs from my films, like for example, Alvida from Metro, it's very liberating because it's very high energy and great lyrics also. Well, the lyrics, talking about lyrics, I think most of my songs have had great lyrics to sing to, and that keeps me going because I think a good melody has to be backed by great lyrics so that it connects with the audience. Otherwise, it'll just be a melody, unless you have great lyrics to it. So I've been very fortunate to have writers who have written very lovely songs for me.
In fact, like Ajab Si.
Correct. I mean, Ajab Si Vishal did a great job, and so many other
Sing a
songs.
line.
आँखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं, दिल को बना दे जो पतंग, सांसें तेरी वो हवाएं हैं.
आई ऐसी रात है जो बहुत खुश नसीब है, चाहे जिसे दूर से दुनिया वो मेरे करीब है. कितना कुछ कहना है फिर भी है दिल में सवाल कहीं, सपनों में जो रोज कहा है वो फिर से कहूँ या नहीं. आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं, हो आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं, दिल को बना दे जो पतंग, सांसें ये तेरी वो हवाएं हैं.
When you were growing up, who discovered your talent?
I think back in school my teachers did when I did my first performance in MSM in Delhi, and ever since I've never looked back because I got a newfound respect, from my school
Teachers
and friends.
First grade or
Second grade.
Second grade,
Yeah.
okay.
And
उस वक्त कौन सा गाना गाते थे आप?
उस वक्त मैंने जो गाया था एक आशा जी का गाना था, जब अंधेरा होता है आधी रात के बाद, एक चोर निकलता है काली सी सड़क पे. It's a very nice song, It's one of my.
Nice
I used to like
melody.
that. Good melody. ये आवाज़ आती है चोर 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 चोर. Very interesting melody, and I like that song a lot. Teachers and everybody said, "Hey, ये लड़का तो गाता है, अच्छा गाता है," because I was not a regular singer at that time, and I never learned after that. Also, I just kept singing, and listening to music, and just hearing them and memorizing songs and.
Wow. The audience is waiting for you. You're about to start the show tonight. This is so exciting. I know I'm excited to listen.
Hi, this is KK, and you're watching me on Sitara TV. All the best.
Thank you, and all the best for your show.
Thank you.
Thank you.
तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दी प्यार की, ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए, हाँ लुट गए, तो लुट गए हम तेरी मोहब्बत में. तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही, मुझको सजा दी प्यार की, ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए, तो लुट गए हम तेरी मिलती है कभी आंसू कभी आहे कभी शिकवे कभी नाले तेरा चेहरा नजर आए तेरा चेहरा नजर आए मुझे दिन के उजालों में तेरी यादें तेरी यादें तड़पाए रातों के अंधेरों में तेरा चेहरा नजर आए मचल मचल के से राह निकलती रही मुझको सजा दी प्यार की ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गया